Hello! So I am on my boba tea adventures. So I got the popping boba in mango, which is my favorite flavor at the moment. So what I'm going to do is put the rest of my mango. I will now be out of mango and need to order some new ones. I also like to put a lot of popping boba into here, so I probably go through them faster than most people do. And that is okay, because I enjoy them. Lots of little popping bobas. Can't leave any behind. There's one left. Alright, so that's the end of my mango popping bobas. Got some Happy Belly Jasmine green tea. Put my green tea in the green topped container so I keep it separate from my herbal tea. Green tea during the day and herbal tea in the evening. And then got some strawberry syrup to add to it. Alright, so now we got mango strawberry. And that is a great flavor combination. So I definitely recommend that to everyone. And now I am out of my jasmine green tea and I'm out of my mango popping boba. So I will have to put in some new orders. So we'll see what I create for myself next. Let me know if you have any suggestions.